asks, Giz said cut.
Chop in half, chop
You
in
should use
half.
one hand to hold the pickle and the other hand to cut.
Right. You have to use your hand to hold it so it stays.
Good.
Ooh.
If you hold it with
Someone's
one hand
almost winning.
and then go do this.
Whoa.
My grandpa shows me how to cut these.
Okay.
You do well, Ro. You can
That's
do
good.
it. Don't worry. It's not so bad.
Are you cutting?
Yeah.
That is awesome. Look at your pieces. And it's, oh, you're making long pieces. Wow.
Mommy, I did it. I'm done.
Wow, she's done cutting.
Mommy,
Did you want to
Mommy.
eat some pickle or no?
I don't.
Oh,
I don't
okay.
like pickles.
You just wanted to cut it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for cutting. Do something. You know what this is?
What? A cutting board.
It's a cutting board. Oh my goodness, girl, you're too smart. Everybody's smart. Okay, you get one. You get one. You get one. And
Yeah,
you get
I got
one.
green.
When
I got green too.
you get a cutting board, what else do we need for the cutting board? What
A
else?
knife.
We need
A
a knife. So I'm gonna get knives. Hold on.
Yeah.
That's good. I'm gonna give you one knife. I'm gonna give you one knife. Gonna
You
give
gave
you
us
one knife.
matching knives.
All the knives match with
We
the
got little
cutting
knives.
boards. We have a knife. We have a cutting food
Food.
or something to cut.
And I'll show you. Do you see?
I love your